inmarsch i Afghanistan.
Men så kommer Janne Holmlund. Och nu, Koskullskulle, så tittar vi tillsammans. Nej! Oj, 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 vad gör karln? Aj, 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 aj. Han satsar alldeles för tidigt och han får där en ordentlig smäll. Oj!
Mirakulöst nog klarade sig Janne Holmlund undan med ett brutet nyckel. Mest exponerade icke-amerikan. Med viss konkurrens förstås.
Well, he has a lot of height, and there's another beautiful long jump by the Japanese. He's very close to 89 or 80 or 90.
But what about the fall, Art?
Well, it's true, he did fall, but I'm more excited about the way he hit the jump. This is not competition.
Okay, so he's got the length and undoubtedly had pretty good style. 5 international judges. Of course, today not judging the competition except for practice, perhaps. Let's go back and look at Yagi on the end run and his takeoff.
Yagi is dead center. The skis are coming up just where he wants them, and now he really starts to lay out over those babies. Now the wind is playing a little bit with the tips of the skis, and still he gets them in position. And now he's just starting to stretch it on down the landing hill. And it's a long ways down to that 90 meters when you're in a 70-meter jump. The wind's still playing a little bit, but he doesn't overcorrect. He just lets them hang there. Now as he goes into the landing, he is letting up just a little bit, which is probably what set the stage for that fall. But then I'm not too sure of that. It looks like he kind of caught an edge right here.
And fortunately, he was not injured. The final practice session is ended only after 4...
Mikkonen, no, ne, Mikkonen. Ale ten byl, po tomhle strašným pádě byl večer už na diskotéce.
No, možná nevěděl, že tam je na té diskotéce.
To měl zadarmo tu opici,
Podívejte si.
Já vím, já tam přímo stál jako klučík ještě. Vypadl mi pár exkusí, když jsem to viděl.
Když udělá spotkán velkou chybu, tak může skončit taky.
No to je ještě strašnější.
A tenkrát na ty lety chodilo, jestli jste si všiml, 80 000 diváků, protože je to přitahovalo.